viewers, and welcome to Ramadan Talk Report. I am Nabila Auralia.
And I'm Nayla Zuniva. Today we will discuss an important health topic: how to take medicine safely while fasting.
Many people who take daily medication are confused about whether they can continue their treatment during Ramadan.
And some people even make funny mistakes.
Hey, what's wrong?
My stomach hurts so bad. I think my ulcer is active. Oh no, I forgot.
Nah, omeprazole should be taken before eating to protect your stomach.
Oh, so that's why that I'm suffering now. But can I take it now? I'm so hungry. My stomach is burning.
Nope, you're fasting. You're so waiting until iftar.
But I can survive this now. I need my food. I need my omeprazole.
So next time, set your alarm. Take your omeprazole before eating at sahur.
So remember, if it's too much medicine, omeprazole, you must take 1 hour before eating sahur.
This helps prevent stomach pain and keeps you comfortable while fasting.
Don't forget, you must set objective for the day. Just wait until iftar and adjust your schedule for the next day.
That's all for today's health update. Might this information help you stay healthy while fasting?
Remember, taking your medicine correctly is essential, especially during Ramadan.
Smart choices for a healthier